Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I am going to tell you the main things about the trip to Mars or human mission to Mars. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any updates. A human mission to Mars has been the subject of science fiction, aerospace engineering, and logical proposition since the 20th century. Plans incorporate landing on Mars for investigation at any rate, with some considering investigating its moons Phobos and Deimos. Long-term recommendations have included sending settlers and starting terraforming the planet. The exploration of Mars has been an objective of public space programs for quite a long time. Applied work for missions that would involve human explorers has been progressing since the 1950s, with arranged missions commonly being expressed as occurring anyplace somewhere in the range of 10 and 30 years from the time they are drafted. The list of maintained Mars mission plans shows the different mission propositions that have been advanced by various associations and space agencies in this field of space investigation. Current goals by countries and space organizations. The United States has a few mechanical missions at present investigating Mars. With an example return made arrangements for what's to come. The Orion multi-purpose crew vehicle is expected to fill in as the dispatch splashdown group conveyance vehicle, with a deep space habitat module giving extra living space to the 16-month-long excursion. The originally maintained Mars mission, which would incorporate sending space travelers to Mars, circling Mars, and a revisitation of Earth, is proposed for the 2030s. Technology improvement for U.S. government missions to Mars is in progress. However, there is no all-round subsidized way to deal with carrying the calculated task to finish with human arrivals on Mars by the mid-2030s, the express objective. NASA is compelled to land people on Mars by 2033. And NASA-financed engineers are examining an approach to fabricate expected human territories there by delivering blocks from compressed Martian soil. The European Space Agency has a drawn-out objective to send people, however, has not yet fabricated a RAN shuttle. It has sent mechanical tests like ExoMars in 2016 and plans to send the following test in 2022. Indian Space Research Organization successfully positioned an uncrewed Mars orbiter mission, also called Mangalyaan, satellite in Mars Circle in 2014. ISRO plans a bigger subsequent mission called Mangalyaan 2 between 2024 and 2026. This mission will probably comprise of a lander and a Mars rover. No plans for an Indian human mission to Mars have been disclosed. Japan has sent one mechanical mission to Mars in 1998, the Nozomi, yet it neglected to accomplish Mars orbit. JAXA has proposed a meanderer mission called Melos for a designing exhibit of accuracy landing and to search for conceivable biosignatures on Mars in 2020 or 2022. No designs for a Japanese human mission to Mars have been disclosed. China's originally endeavored mission to Mars, the Yinghao-1 space test, was lost with Russia's example return mission to Phobos, Phobos Grunt in 2011-2012. China dispatched an orbiter, lander, and meanderer mission to Mars in August 2020 involving the Tianwen-1 mission on a Long March 5 heavy lift rocket. No human missions have been openly revealed. Russia plans to send people in the 2040 to 2045 timeframe. Mechanical advancements and obstacles. Huge innovative obstacles should be defeated for human spaceflight to Mars. Section into the slender and shallow Martian air will present huge challenges with reemergence and for a rocket of the weight expected to convey people. Alongside life backing, supplies, and other gear. Should a warmth shield be utilized, it would be extremely enormous. Retro rockets could be utilized, yet would add critical further weight. A return mission to Mars should land a rocket to steel group away the surface. Dispatch necessities imply that this rocket would be altogether more modest than an Earth-to-circle rocket. Mars to Circle dispatch can likewise be accomplished in single stage. Regardless of this, arrival a climb rocket on Mars would be troublesome. Re-emergence from an enormous rocket will be difficult. Intravenous liquid. One of the clinical supplies that may be required is an extensive mass of intravenous liquid, which is basically water, however contains different substances, so it tends to be added straightforwardly to the human circulatory system. In the event that it very well may be made on the spot from existing water, this would diminish mass prerequisites. A model for this ability was tried on the International Space Station in 2010. Progressed resistive exercise gadget. An individual who is dormant for an all-encompassing time frame loses strength, just as muscle and bone mass. Spaceflight conditions are known to cause deficiency of bone mineral thickness. In Space Explorers Expanding Bone Break Hazard, last numerical models anticipate 33% of space explorers will be in danger for osteoporosis during a human mission to Mars. A resistive exercise gadget comparable to ARED would be required in the spaceship. Breathing gases. While it is feasible for people to inhale unadulterated oxygen, typically extra gases like nitrogen are remembered for the breathing blend. One chance is to take in situ nitrogen and argon from the atmosphere of Mars. Be that as it may, they are difficult to isolate from each other. As an outcome, a Mars environment may utilize 40% argon, 40% nitrogen, and 20% oxygen. A thought for keeping carbon dioxide out of the breathing air is to utilize reusable amine DAB carbon dioxide scrubbers. While one carbon dioxide scrubber channels the space explorer's air, the other is vented to the Mars atmosphere. Mars test bring missions back. An uncrewed Mars test return mission has at times been considered as an antecedent to RAN missions to Mars' surface. In 2008, the ESA called an example return fundamental and said it could overcome any issues among mechanical and human missions to Mars. An illustration of a Mars test return mission is sample collection for investigation of Mars. Mars test return was the most noteworthy need flagship mission proposed for NASA by the Planetary Decadal Study 2013 through 2022, the future of planetary science. However, such missions have been hampered by intricacy and cost, with one ESA proposition including no under 5 diverse uncrewed spacecraft. Right now, the rover Perseverance is outfitted with a gadget that will permit it to get and seal tests of rock from Mars to be returned sometime in the not too distant future by another mission. Steadiness, as a feature of the Mars 2020 mission, was dispatched on top of an Atlas V rocket on July 30th, 2020. Confirmation that the Meanderer had arrived on Mars was gotten on February 18th, 2021. Conclusion. We are still facing enormous challenges on the journey to Mars. Above all, it is the technical and medical issues that still give scientists and engineers headaches. But progress is also being made well in the field of drive technology so that one can hope to be able to send people to Mars before 2030. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to share your thoughts and valuable feedback with us in the comments section below. You can also suggest to us the topics we should cover in our upcoming videos. Lastly, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, subscribe to it. And if you want to watch more videos like this, press that bell button so you will be notified each time I upload an interesting video to this channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!